Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install Node.js on Windows 11 and run a Node application on Visual Studio Code by following its official documentation. So, let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL nodejs.org and download the Node.js LTS installer file. Click here to download. It may take a while for downloading Node.js installer for Windows operating system. After a successful download, go into the download folder and open Node.js Windows installer file. If you get a message from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes and then click on next. Now accept the terms in the license agreement. Check this box, click on next, and this is the installation location of Node.js. This is the default destination folder. If you want to install Node.js on a different folder, click on the change button and browse the folder where you want to install Node.js. Click on next, click on next, next. The setup wizard is ready to begin installation. So click on the install button. If you get a message from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. It may take a while for installing Node.js. That's it. Now verify the installation. Open Node console. Write simple script that will print node installed successfully on Windows 11. That's it. Now close this node shell. Press Ctrl plus C again or Ctrl plus D or type .exit. Okay. Now make sure that you already have installed Visual Studio Code on your system. I already have installed Visual Studio Code. If you don't have it on your computer, browse this URL and click on the download button. Then download the Visual Studio Code for Windows operating system. You can download the user installer or system installer. User installer is for the single user or current user, and system installer for the all users of the system. Okay, open Visual Studio Code. Now I am going to create a workspace for storing the Node.js application. Create a new folder. I am going to name it Node Apps into my desktop. Okay, now open this folder in Visual Studio Code. Okay, now trust the author. Okay, now I am going to create a new file and name it app.js and save this file into the newly created directory. Increase the font size. Okay, now write a simple script that will print. It's okay. Now save this file and open integrated terminal. You can open this terminal using Windows PowerShell or command prompt. Now run this application using Node.js. Simply type node space then file name dot extension, hit enter. That's it. Now I'm going to create a simple node server. Copy this, paste here. Now save this file and change the file name. Within this extension mjs. Okay, now start this server using this command node space server.mjs, hit enter. Now access this server from web browser using this port number. Now I am going to launch the Node.js server from Visual Studio Code graphical user interface. At first, start the Node server and then click on Run. Select Run without debugging option. Select Web App. You can select Chrome or Edge web browser. Okay, here in the launch.json file, this is the configuration file. Change the port number. Okay, now click on Run and then select Run without debugging. That's it. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.